Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how Apple has replaced iTunes with a new app to back up Apple devices. This new app is specifically for Windows PCs. As you can see, iTunes no longer recognizes the iPhone or iPad when you connect them to your PC. Your iPhone may appear in Windows File Explorer, but iTunes still won't detect it. I'm going to show you how to fix that. The new app released by Apple is called Apple Devices. Head over to the Microsoft Store. You can find it in the taskbar at the bottom of your screen or by clicking the Windows Start menu. In the search bar, type Apple Devices, and you'll see the app appear. Click Get and wait for the installation to finish. As you can see from the screenshots, the interface is quite similar to the old iTunes, but it only supports backing up Apple devices, data transfer, and a few other functions. The installation may take some time, depending on your PC and internet speed. Once it's installed, click Open. Agree to the terms and conditions. If you previously had iTunes installed, the app may ask you to uninstall it. Just click Uninstall. Now, open the app, go to the main page, and click Continue. You can go to the settings to adjust your preferences. For example, I turned off the option to send usage data to Apple. Now, connect your iPhone or iPad to your Windows PC via USB. You will see a prompt on your device asking you to trust or don't trust the computer. Click Trust. Enter your passcode. Then, on your PC, click Trust as well. As you can see, the Apple Devices app will now detect your iPhone. If you're using an iPad, it will detect that too. The menus are quite similar to the old iTunes interface. Under the General tab, you'll find all the important information about your device, including backup options, software version, and storage details. On the left-hand side, you'll see options for music, movies, TV shows, photos, and files. Music and movies are now managed separately, but you can still sync your photos through the app. And that's about it. This is the new app from Apple for Windows. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and sharing it.